In this module, we are going to talk about dealing with political globalization. Political globalization refers to international spread of political sphere, interests, regions, and countries. It is shifting to multilateralism, emergence of transnational state apparatus, rise of national and international non-governmental organizations, influence of international corporations on other states. Example of political globalization: European Union, that how the 27 members of the Union making impact on the global economy. International Monetary Fund, World Trade Organization, and United Nations. This is how all these organizations are politically making influence in different parts of the world. The political influence of international organizations is increased to the extent that sovereignty of nation states is declining. Countries are bound to abide by the rules of international organizations such as NATO, G8, or group of 8 countries, and United Nations. Political globalization is leading to increased global political problems, especially transparency and accountability. When we say that political globalization is declining the state sovereignty, we must understand that it is not declining the state sovereignty, but we may say that the nature of sovereignty in the era of political globalization is different than the traditional state sovereignty. Accountability: all international organizations, including the nation state, should be accountable for their decisions and activities. Decline of the nation state has freed organizations from being held accountable. There is also concern to whom these international organizations should be accountable. Surveillance on these organizations should be enhanced. This is what I was saying in my previous slide, that the nature of the sovereignty of the state is changed or transformed. How? That today international organizations are having the say in the decision making of the state. This is how the state sovereignty is looking in a different form, and it is not declining in any way. Transparency: the element of secrecy is increasing in international politics, which means that most of their actions are not transparent. For example, lack of transparency by Iran in terms of its nuclear weapons programs, as well as the lack of transparency by the United States and Israel. So, that transparency is very much selective while we are talking about different countries in the age of political globalization. So, that selective morality give different connotations and different types of that transparency. We need to understand that living in a global village, we try to be objective in our actions. But when we remain selective and only putting implications upon Iran for manufacturing a nuclear device, but not asking to Israel for manufacturing the same device, and considering it that Iranian nuclear program may be for destructive purposes and Israeli nuclear program would be for peaceful purposes. So, this is the selective attitude on the part of the international community that it needs to consider, that how it can be more objective in this domain.